Hello everyone, my name is Archana and today I'm in the beautiful Dubai Maritime City to give you some more insights about this wonderful destination. I have already made a detailed video about the location. You can find the link for the same in the description below. As you enter Maritime City, you can sense that something big and amazing is coming up on this land parcel. Every inch and corner of this property is a piece of art in itself and has been tastefully designed with elegance and experience. Omniath as a developer is synonymous to sophistication and quality and is known for creating waterfront masterpieces like Vela, Orla, Ava at Palm Jumeirah, One at Palm Jumeirah, and Lana Residences, all managed by the prestigious Dorchester Collection and many more. So I will not discuss the quality as it is given when backed and created by Omniath. But the actual reason I'm here today is to show you this. Look at the sea. Calm, beautiful, and full of positive energy that Arabian Sea brings with its waves. The constant ebb and flow creates a picturesque view that fosters a deep sense of tranquility, making it an idyllic oasis for relaxation and inspiration. From this balcony, you can see the future of this area. In front of my eyes is the beautiful waterfront and the marina walk where you can walk along the Arabian Gulf. This is Port Rashid, where you can see the trading ships and big cruise liners coming with thousands of tourists. I have already made a separate detailed video on it. That area is being developed by Emaar and is called Rashid Yachts and Marina and will definitely add value to the entire city. Adjacent to it, the islands that you can see from here is the new project from Nakheel called Dubai Islands. Dubai Holdings, DP World, Emaar and Nakheel, these are the real estate giants who are committed to make the entire area beautiful. So standing here, I can visualize how this area is going to look like. This is peaceful, this is serene, this is elegance. This is Dubai Maritime City. Just 15 minutes to the airport, 15 minutes from downtown, and a new waterfront destination in the making right in the heart of Dubai. The city is planned to have retail areas and residences by private developers, sports and entertainment areas, mixed-use residential plots, and commercial buildings. They also have fruits and vegetable gardens, horse stables, branded residences, heliports for private choppers and jets, super yachts marina that will dock the longest and most luxurious yachts, and many hospitality high-end retail brands. As we have seen this amazing penthouse and the views from this project owning to the location and what Dubai Maritime City has to offer, let us ask ourselves some questions and analyze. Question number 1. What do you think this community is going to look like in near future? Dubai Marina, Emaar Beachfront, Blue Waters? Yes, absolutely something similar, and the views can get even better. Question number 2. What price ranges are the best developers selling in these communities? The answer is 5,000 dirhams to 10,000 dirhams depending on the views and the location of the project within the community. Question number 3. Do you think the views can get any better than this? The answer is the very famous absolutely not. This is the best view of the Arabian Gulf, and every 5 minutes you can see the biggest ships, yachts and boats sailing in the sea. Can you think of any other developer who can deliver quality better? No. Omniath is the developer who has delivered the most luxurious developments, Dorchester Collection buildings in Palm Jumeirah, where the prices start from 70 million and the quality simply cannot get better. So keeping all the above in consideration, this is the opportunity and now is the time. If you think the same way, then let me tell you, here is the opportunity where you can go back in time and invest without compromising anything. You might have seen or bought similar sized penthouses from top developers in ready waterfront communities. They are priced between 35 million to 60 million depending upon the brands and the finish. Here, you can buy something specific at 1/3 the price or 1/4 the price. So an honest advice is to please consider these properties seriously. These properties, which are selling for 2,000 to 2,500 dirham per square foot, are soon going to reach to the levels of 5,000 very, very soon. If you have any questions, queries or doubts, or want to know more about the area and the project, we invite you to the open house this Saturday and Sunday. Or you can also contact us at the given numbers on the screen so that we can help you to do the right investment or choose a home for yourself. Now I will leave you with some beautiful visuals and renders from this property and location. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel in order to stay updated on the latest launches and the investment opportunities. Signing off, Archana Bhan, Experience Realty.
In a dream I had, I watched her dance in a field, blood on the sundress and a ponytail, spinning around talking to the clouds. I can't stop time, but if I could, I'd reverse it and go back to the day we met. That first kiss on